Going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is a new scan tool I bought. It's the Ancel HD430, and this works to regen both Cummins and Cat engines, and this bus has a Cummins B6.7. so we're gonna see if this actually works. So I'm gonna start the bus. So we need to wait for that to get done processing. It takes a while because it just wants to make sure all the systems are in check. Alright, give me a second while I shut off the AC. Alright, so I shut off the driver's AC because that was causing it to go into an automatic fast idle. And one of the conditions, as you can see here, is the engine must be at idle and the vehicle must be stopped in neutral with the parking brake on. So it cannot be fast idling, it has to be slow idling. And all you gotta do is press OK. And look at that! Forced regen taking place. So here you can see your different parameters. Oil temp, coolant temp. A lot of different parameters in here. Well, you get the point. So if you want to cancel it, hit the back button and then hit OK. Engine returns to normal idle, hot exhaust light goes out, and you're good to go.